doing, Cruzy? What you doing? Got the fire going, do you? That. She's good to go. Little ripper. Nice healthy little snack. Keep an eye on that puddle, Cruzy. What are you doing, Chuckles? Good enough to drive through, or is it too deep? You reckon? Alrighty. A little bit slippery, isn't it? A little bit slimy. Gooey on your toes. Can you find my number plate? Can you find my number plate? Off the car. What about a frog? Can you see any frogs in there? Well, you're nearly on the other side. You're nearly on the other side. Careful, Lucas.
Where's Scarp? Hello.
Cruzy? Hey, Charlotte? Yeah.
Is that Alto?
No. Who wants to hold him?
Me.
Right. Ready?
I'm gonna. Me.
Hey, ready? Hold your hand out, Lucas. Ready? Good boy. You want to show Mum, Lucas? You go show Mum. Go show your mummy. Don't squish him. Good boy. Go show your mummy.
Look. I love you.
Oh my goodness me!
That one.
Oh my goodness! That is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Careful,
You love
watch
it?
him near the fire.
Not around the fire. Put him back over there.
Come back over here. Good boy. Good boy, Lucas.
Stop him.
You ready?
Can you get it in my hand?
Yeah, buddy. Ready?
My hand.
You ready? Put your hand out. No. He's not going to get you. He's alright. He's not going to hurt you, is he? Put him in. Are you going to put him in Lucas's hand? Put him in Lucas's hand, Cruz.
God. In my hand.
You scoop it up. Drop it down for him, Cruz.
Gone.
Alright, we'll put him back now because poor little guy's getting hurt.